Hi, this is teacher Jennifer from US Citizenship Podcast with some excellent news. Dr. Patricia Hernandez just called me to share this information from Buzzfeed. Here's the Buzzfeed article, and it says that Biden is planning to scrap Trump's version of the citizenship test that critics say was more confusing. So last November, 2020, USCIS issued a test with 128 questions, and this test was supposed to go into effect in December 1st. However, groups like Catholic Legal Immigration Network and Migration Policy Institute basically uh, started campaigns to critique the test, and USCIS got a lot of feedback from the public. So they're going to basically scrap the test, but USCIS.gov, I just checked it. They don't say anything about that test. However, it is a 3-day weekend because of President's Day. So look for the official announcement next week about the test. So meanwhile, please take a look at this test. Please see what they have to say with it. And if you're studying up this weekend because of President's Day, take a look at our resources for Lunar New Year, Valentine's Day, President's Day. Stay tuned to USCIS.gov, and I know you will be a great American citizen. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.